Nestled among forests near Benešov in the Czech Republic, Konopiště Castle is one of Europe's most famous aristocratic residences. Although it began as a formidable medieval fortress, the castle is best remembered as the final home of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, whose assassination in 1914 changed the course of world history. The castle was founded around 1294 by Tobias of Benešov, following the design of French Gothic fortresses with cylindrical towers, 4 gates, thick defensive walls, and a drawbridge. Over the centuries, it passed through several noble families, including the Sternbergs, before gradually evolving from a military fortress into an elegant Renaissance and later Baroque residence. In 1887, Archduke Franz Ferdinand purchased Konopiště and transformed it into a luxurious home fit for the future heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne. Modern comforts, such as electricity, central heating, running water, and one of Europe's earliest electric lifts were installed, while the castle became home to his remarkable collections of medieval arms, armor, artwork, and thousands of hunting trophies. Konopiště became far more than a residence. It was the place where Franz Ferdinand spent the final years of his life with his wife Sophie, Duchess of Hohenberg, and their children. In June 1914, he departed from this castle to observe military exercises in Bosnia before traveling to Sarajevo, where he and Sophie were assassinated on June 28, 1914. Their deaths became the immediate catalyst for the outbreak of the First World War. Following the collapse of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, the castle was confiscated by the new Czechoslovak state in 1921 and later served as an SS headquarters during the Second World War. Today, visitors can explore remarkably preserved interiors, the famous Rose Garden, extensive English landscape park, and one of Europe's finest collections of historical weapons and armor, preserved almost exactly as Franz Ferdinand left them.